What's up guys, Rain here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to optimize your Bukkit server. So you may have noticed after a while of using a server, um, it gets laggy and you need to speed it up. Now, what I'm showing you can allow anywhere from like 2 to 3 or 4 more people to join to up to like 30 or 40 people to join, depending on your computer and what your setup. If you're running a dedicated server, this is like a must. You need, or not a dedicated server, but like a server, like something on a server on something else, not on your computer, you're gonna need you're gonna need to do this because this is like one of the best things you can do if you're not hosting this on your computer. But if you are, this also does work for your computer and will probably speed it up. So first off, you want to come to this website over here. I'm just dragging in called spigot dot or spigotmc.org or spigot, however you want to say it. I call it spigot because more cooler. It's cooler if you say spigot. Anyway, come over to the download section and you're gonna see this pop up. So this is actually their build server, and you might not be able to tell um, what this all is, but let me just tell you that if there is a blue one right here, it says success, just download these blue ones. It's how I do it. I just download the blue ones. You can download either or, whichever you want them named. I accidentally downloaded this one, so I have it in my downloads folder as this. And yeah, let's go install that. Also, too, you want to come over to this clear lag page made by Bob7L, the owner of Mind Builders, and we can just download the latest version for 1.6.1. It does work on 1.6.2, by the way, but don't worry. Let's wait for it to download. There. Okay, so now we should have them both in the downloads folder. Open up your buckets folder or your server folder, and we're gonna delete craftbukkit because we no longer need this because spigot is a craftbukkit. It's a optimized version of craftbukkit which reduces RAM and CPU, so you're gonna have a lot more fun at this. Let's drag it into here first and rename this to spigot or spigot. So now we have it. Now we gotta change our start command. So let's rename this to, or not rename that, but let's edit it or change the text if you need to, if you don't have this feature, um, and rename it to spigot. And now it should open our spigot. So let's go into the plugins folder now, and let's install ClearLag. And now we should have everything installed. So now when you start up your server, it should be a hell of a lot faster, but you can actually configure the spigot.yml to make it even more faster if you want. So we're just gonna stop this and we can look over to spigot YML. So one thing I do turn off usually is I turn off the anti-X-ray since it's not really needed. Um, Plus two, if you have an anti-X-ray, it tends to draw away players because everyone knows most players in Minecraft hack, and it's something you have to deal with. But turning off X-ray is just gonna lose you business basically. You're gonna lose players, um, and they're gonna get annoyed. But if you feel like having it on, here it is. You can just turn it on in here, and it'll block all the ores and make it look like random ores. You can also change the server full command. So if the server is full, you can change it how or what it will say. If you have an outdated client, then it'll tell you what it says. If it's an outdated server, you can tell it what it says. And if you're not whitelisted or have an unknown command. So what I do, I actually put like Alohacraft doesn't recognize this command or something. That's what I do for my server. Now, if you are running bungee cord, this software is actually very easy to use with it, um, because the creator of Spygod is also the creator of bungee cord. So you're all good on that if you use bungee cord. make sure you use spigot too, because it would be way easier. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys servers are running fast, and peace.